Hey guys, let's get right into this week's video. This week, I'm going to show you how to make my easy sour cream biscuits. They are so delicious, and I can't wait to show you this quick and easy recipe. So I'm not going to hold you. Let's get to the countdown. Okay guys, so let's get to this quick and easy recipe for these sour cream biscuits. So to start, you're going to need 2 cups of self-rising flour. You're going to need a 16-ounce container of cold sour cream and 1 stick of room temperature softened butter. Now you're going to start to stir this together, bring it all together. And I know this looks a little awkward, but I am literally holding the camera in one hand and trying to stir with the other. So, don't be like me. All right. So bring these together, and you want to use your hand to start to bring the dough together. And let me just warn you. So this is a very sticky dough. It's a very soft, sticky dough, as you can tell here, but that's okay. You're just going to add a little flour, and then you're just going to press it in. And every time you press it in, you're going to take and fold it over. So we're kind of kneading, but we're not really. We're just sort of creating layers because we want those biscuits to be nice and tall. So you add a little flour where you need it, and you just fold over. And you want to keep doing this until you can press in and your fingers are no longer sticky. So we're good to go. Now you want to press this dough out with your hand. This is so easy, you don't even need a rolling pin unless you just want to use one. Okay, so press them out, and you want to get your biscuit cutter. If you don't have a biscuit cutter, listen, don't worry about it. Just get a glass to use and press down. You can even just cut them out. This is like foolproof. You don't have to worry about it, because at the end of the day, no matter what the shape, these biscuits are going to be good. But just press down, don't twist, press down and lift up. Okay, because that's going to keep the biscuits to rise evenly. Okay, if you twist them, they're not going to rise as well. Okay, so you want to buddy them up, get them nice and close so they can rise together. Take a thin slice of butter and put on top. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. 15 to 20 minutes later, you're going to have some delicious biscuits. Take a look at these. 20 minutes. I love that crust on the outside. If you don't prefer that, you like them a little lighter, just go a little lighter. Start checking your oven at 15 minutes and see where they are for your desired doneness. Top them off with a little extra little Kerrygold that I'm using here. You can use anything you want. And look, guys, they're so delicious, nice and tall. And when I tell you they are moist and this kitchen smells amazing, lie to you not, delicious. You have to make them. Alright guys, if you're not a subscriber, what you waiting on, child? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tell your family, your friends, your aunties, your uncle and them, and while you're at it, tell them what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, at What Adrianne Thinks. Look at this, guys. So nice, light, golden. Look at the height we got on those biscuits. So good, ready to eat. All right, I gotta go, because you know what time it is. It's time to eat. Cue the music.